Hey everyone! Today, I want to share with you the secrets to financial prosperity and the rules to manage and save money. Let's dive right in and discover the 7 simple rules of money. Rule 1. Start saving 10% of your income. No matter how much you earn, set aside at least 10% for savings. This will help you build a retirement account, establish an emergency fund, or save for a down payment on a mortgage. Rule 2. Keep your expenses low. Analyze your spending habits, create a budget, and don't spend more than what's allocated. By cutting unnecessary expenses, you can increase your savings rate and build wealth faster. Rule 3. Invest what you save. By investing in interest-generating assets, you'll grow your wealth through compounding. Consider short-term investments like savings accounts or certificates of deposit, and long-term investments like IRAs or securities. Rule 4. Protect your investments from loss. Don't put your money at risk for quick riches. Choose reputable money managers and investment vehicles. Slow and steady investing will lead to long-term wealth. Rule 5. Invest in a home. By purchasing a home, you're building equity in an asset instead of paying rent. Homes generally appreciate in value over time, increasing your equity. Rule 6. Invest for retirement. Start compounding your money early by investing in retirement accounts. Calculate your net worth regularly and pay attention to investment fees. Rule 7. Learn new skills to increase your income. Developing new skills can open doors to side hustles, job changes, or higher salaries. Focus on something you enjoy, build on existing skills, and set financial goals. Remember, applying these steps takes discipline, but they can make a huge difference in your financial freedom. So start implementing them today and watch your wealth grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content like this. See you soon!